Today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas snowball cookies. These are an easy cookie recipe that are perfect for Christmas. We love them. You start with a cup of butter. I like to use unsalted softened butter. Then add powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and all-purpose flour. You're going to mix these for a really long time. If you're using a stand mixer, it will come together a lot easier than if you're using a hand mixer or doing this by hand. I like to use a towel when I'm using my KitchenAid because it helps to avoid making a mess on my counter. Know that if the dough is still crumbly, just keep on mixing. Eventually it will come together. Just keep on mixing and eventually it will come together in a nice thick cookie dough. My mom's been making these cookies for years and I have several variations on my website. I absolutely love them. Everyone requests them all the time. And I love how these don't have nuts in them in case you have someone in your family who is allergic to nuts. These just use candy as the mix-in instead of pecans or walnuts, but you could substitute pecans or walnuts as well. Once your dough comes together in a ball, you're going to add mini M&Ms. You can use any color. I'm using Christmas colors here. Mix that together, and then you're going to drop them by tablespoonfuls on your cookie sheet. These won't spread, they have no leavening or egg, so they'll hold their shape. Just add them to your cookie sheet and then bake them until they're nice and golden brown on the bottom. Once they cool for about 5 or 10 minutes and you can handle them but they're still warm, roll them in powdered sugar and then serve them. You can make these several days ahead and keep them in a Ziploc bag, or you can even freeze them if you'd like. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and eat something sweet.